Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed an honor to be representing Shantagiri Ashram on the one side, an institution, a non-governmental charitable organization that has sought to revive Indian systems of medicine over the past 4 decades. At such a venue as this, where we are speaking about the future of Ayurveda, where Ayurveda needs to go in the coming years, in the centuries ahead. And we know that this is closely intertwined with the IT revolution that India is currently witnessing. And for India, the hub of Ayurveda, to be able to take Ayurveda both abroad to the globe, as well as within its own space, into the rural heartland of India, we require the help of IT. Ayurveda has now moved ahead from the close confines of a narrow room with small bottles and an elderly person. It's now gone global with global manufacturing practices, with a wide acceptance throughout the globe. So we're trying to see if IT and Ayurveda can meet somewhere, and in this meeting, can both of them be more powerful as a result of leveraging the strengths of each of these two streams of science. So that's the agenda for discussion today. I want to start by trying to build a case for synergy. Why should this synergy happen between IT and Ayurveda? What are the challenges facing Ayurveda today, and how can ICT help them? So confining the discussion to 3 important points here, we're trying to see how IT can help Ayurveda reach rural India. 1, how it can strengthen the supply chain management system of Ayurveda, and how it can bring about a content management system that is standardized and takes Ayurvedic practices on a standardized platform across the globe. Finally, we want to understand whether Ayurveda has an important role to play for the IT workforce of India. So this is the context for today's presentation. India has a huge healthcare problem. I'm sure this has been emphasized in the presentations here before, but just to give you a perspective, only around 1.5 beds per thousand, where we're talking about comparable countries like Russia and China have around 4.3 beds per thousand. So we are underdeveloped in terms of the infrastructure that we provide to our people. Given this lack of infrastructure on the one side, on the rural side, we also have this problem where there's an exponential rise in lifestyle-related diseases in urban India. Right? So the risk of cancer, the risk of heart disease has really gone up exponentially. So it's no longer an India healthcare problem for rural, it's also a problem for urban. Compounding all of this is the fact that 80% of the expenses that we incur are out of our own pockets, which means we're not insured. Once a life-threatening disease sets in, we have our own pockets, our own families' sources of income to fall upon, and that becomes a big challenge for India as a whole. And Ayurveda, surprisingly, has not entered the discussion forum of Indian healthcare system, but is widely prevalent in India. More than 65% of rural India uses Ayurveda for its primary healthcare needs. The number of doctors in the Ayush platform is much more than the number of allopathic, the doctors available. So that's on one side. India's healthcare problem is on one side. On the other side, you have the enabling force of ICT, the growing internet penetration, etc. And the number of mobile connectivity which is being added in India. Shantagiri Ashram has been at the forefront of delivering Ayurvedic healthcare and Siddha-based healthcare to the rural heartland of India. So I'll just touch upon some of the major programs which we've run on a national level, like the Karunyam National Healthcare Program. To connect to the rural India, one possibility is where Shantagiri has found an acceptance is where to take out a mobile clinic which is enabled with ICT tools. So starting off from a district headquarters, if a mobile clinic were to do rounds on a regular basis, reach out to villages, set up shop there, and an expert is able to connect to somebody at a district level, seek expert opinion, and give away medicines at the spot itself. That's a great use of ICT in helping out rural India. So Karunyam project was one such project which Shantagiri undertook. Now when you look at the entire supply chain of Ayurveda, we have more of collectors than farmers. More collectors. So when this contract farming sets in, it is important for us to track both at the demand level and at the supply level to find out where exactly can we cut down costs, increase efficiency. IT has a big role to play in that too. Now the Shantagiri's buyback program with farmers, tying up with small scale farmers, maintaining a fixed price, handing over saplings to them and then buying it back from them is enabled with IT tools to exactly track who's growing what and how much of cultivation is required to go into production. Content management, our sir who did the last presentation talked about a portal, and madam said that too, that the requirement to digitize Ayurvedic information which is out there is the need of the hour. So ICT can play a big role in doing that. I'll just wind up in a few seconds now, just to tell you that as medical tourism, as the foreign inflow of customers starts coming in, as Ayurveda starts going global, it's important for India, which is the hub of Ayurveda, where it's where Ayurveda started, to maintain that leverage by using ICT tools. So Shantagiri Research Foundation, for one, is doing work in that sphere, and I'm sorry we don't have time to speak about that in detail, but maybe at a later time. And how can Ayurveda help IT? It's because the stage of India's corporate health is pretty sad. It's extremely stressful, highly prone to lifestyle-related diseases, and Ayurveda has a big role. This is my last slide. And Ayurveda has a big role to play in that. Healthier employees lead to lower insurance premiums, more productivity, more happier people, and the country as a whole benefits out of this synergy between IT and Ayurveda. So I'd like to leave you with that thought. The future, we've discussed diseases today in the last few days. We've discussed how to overcome them and how to use Ayurveda. But the tool that will really take Ayurveda and capture the mind share of a global audience is ICT. And I hope in the coming days we will see a focused effort from both the Ayurvedic community as well as from IT to bring about this synergy. I thank you so much for this opportunity. Sadhguru Ishwar.